Hey guys, it's Cody with Irie-AT here, coming at you with another tip to add to the Tactile Graphics toolbox. So as you know, one of the big issues that you have with creating Braille math is the type of materials that you're receiving. Maybe you receive it as a PDF on a worksheet, or maybe you receive an actual document, a physical worksheet, or maybe it's a handwritten problem on the whiteboard. So we have this neat new tool to show you how to snip your equations and convert them into Braille math rather quick and easy. So check it out and let us know what you think.
Welcome to Irie-AT, Braille and Innovation.
Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to want to have the MathPix software installed on your PC. Next thing we're going to do here is go ahead and open up our document that has our equations listed that we want to snip using the MathPix program. And I'm going to go ahead and open up a Google Doc here for you that has a few different equations listed, algebraic, linear equations specifically. And so one thing to note here first with MathPix, guys, is that the software doesn't give you any indication that it's actually open, such as like an icon on your taskbar or anything like that. So I always like to make sure that it's actually running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go down to my search bar on my desktop and start typing out MathPix, or M-A-T-H. You'll notice it pops up right here. I'm going to go ahead and select that option, and boom. In order to use the program, you are going to want to use keyboard commands. And so we'll get into all the keyboard commands at a later date, but the one specifically that we're going to use here is the snip command. And so the way to access the snipping command is you're going to use the keyboard stroke Control, Alt, and the letter M as in Mary on your keyboard. And when I do that, you'll notice that my cursor has now switched to crosshairs, similar to the Windows snipping tool. And now I can just use my mouse to click and drag around the equation that I wish to snip. And there you go. When I do that, I get this MathPix snipping tool snip view dialog box. And within here, we have a few different options. You'll notice that we have a few tabs up top. I've got the data tab displayed right now, as well as we have an OCR tab, an original tab, and a few others. Down below, we have our original equation that we just snipped. And below that, we have a few different outputs to choose from, including docx, got some mathml, we've got some ASCII math, as well as SVG. And so what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to select ASCII math, and directly to the right of each output, we have a little clipboard icon, which if you select it, it's going to do just that. It's going to copy your desired output to your clipboard. So in this case, we're going to copy ASCII math to our clipboard. There you go. And now all I'm going to do is open up MathType, our complex equation editor that we've shown in previous tutorials. And I'm going to paste this bad boy. Right click, hit paste, and bam, there you go. We have our equation in MathType ready to be copied and pasted into either Tactile View or the Tiger software suite, be translated into whatever Braille table you prefer, and there you go. You can also use your phone to grab equations on paper or on the whiteboard, even if they're handwritten. The MathPix app snags the equation in a similar fashion to on your computer, or how your computer does it. Once it's done, the scan instantly syncs to your computer. And after that, you just follow the previous steps to copy the ASCII math into MathType and then into your favorite Braille editor. You could definitely save time rewriting equations if you bring MathPix into your Tactile Graphics production toolbox. Thanks for joining us for another tip to add to the Tactile Graphics toolbox. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos coming soon.